This is a juvenile male king parrot. Just dropped in. Geez, they're all coming by these days, all the youngsters. And we can tell it's a juvenile male as opposed to a female because you can see it's going through its transformation from being an all-green king parrot, which is how king parrots are born, and the males then lose a lot of the green, especially around the head and the chest area, and that'll become full red in a matter of weeks. And this little fella is not scared at all. He was just sitting outside the front door. Let me open it and I'll show you what I mean. He was sitting on that fence, saw me, and I came out of that front door and he didn't budge. Interesting, because I took a photo or video of Kingy, the parent, not too long ago. And now he's turned up, and just before I was looking for, came out, there was a bit of a noise, and saw our pheasant kugel and what looked like to be a young pheasant kugel with it. And by the time I went in to get my camera and come back out, they'd moved and they're somewhere in the trees and I can't see them. And now I've got this little fella. Okay, I'll take some photos now. That'll do with the video.